Today I am going to show you how to blend an image inside text and shape in Canva. This effect looks really professional and is super easy to create. Let's get started. Alright, open Canva and select any size you want to work with. I'll choose 1280 by 720 pixels. Now press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Adjust it like this. Then change its color to black. Now press T on your keyboard to add text. Place it at the bottom and increase its size. Type the text you want. Next, go to Fonts and select this font. Adjust the size to fit nicely. Now go to Effects and choose Outline. Change the outline color to white and change the text color to black. Let's increase the outline thickness a bit. Now adjust the text and shape position. Now click on Share and download this as a PNG. Once downloaded, delete everything from the canvas, then add the downloaded image into the page. Now we want to insert an image inside the text. To do that, we need to install an app. Go to Apps and search for Image Blender. This is the app. Click on it to install. This app lets you blend images together. I've already made a bunch of tutorials about it on my channel. Today, I'll use their blend feature. First, select your image, then click Blend. Note, this is a paid feature of the app, but don't worry, you can use the free trial to test it out. In Base Image, make sure your image is selected. Then choose the image you want to insert inside. Next, in Blend Modes, choose Screen. And now our image is placed inside the text. Adjust the strength however you like. Below that, we have Sizing. By default, it's set to Fixed, but you can also set it to Resizable, and adjust the image size and position however you want. Once you're happy with the customization, click Save to save your changes. And that's how you blend an image in Canva. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. Comment below. What text or image are you going to try this effect on?